In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gallery to your website with an infinite loop setting and upload your favorite images. We'll then finish up by publishing it live, making your site's visuals more engaging and dynamic for your visitors. Grab your laptop or sit back and let's dive right into it. First things first, let's navigate to the gallery section of your website builder or content management system. This is where all the magic happens. You should have the option to either use an existing gallery or create a new one. For this demonstration, we're going to create a new gallery. This process will be your canvas, ready to showcase your images in a looped fashion, captivating viewers in a never-ending slideshow. Next, let's look at the settings. One essential feature you want to engage with is the infinite loop setting. Now, this might sound a little technical, but it's actually quite straightforward. What the infinite loop setting does is keep your image gallery scrolling in a continuous cycle. Once you've activated this option, your images will seamlessly glide from the last one straight back to the first, creating a smooth, uninterrupted experience for anyone scrolling through your gallery. This feature is particularly useful for keeping your audience engaged, especially if you have a collection of visually striking images that tell a story or highlight the essence of your brand. Now, it's time to upload your images. Make sure you have them ready in a designated folder or location on your device. When selecting images, consider a cohesive aesthetic or theme that represents your project or brand effectively. Once you've made your selection, you can simply drag and drop your images into the gallery upload section. Most platforms will allow you to upload multiple images at once, but do check the format and size requirements to ensure compatibility. This simple task can save you a ton of time and make the process efficient. After you've successfully uploaded your images, a quick review is always a smart step. Check for image quality and ensure they're appearing in the desired order. You might also have options to add descriptions, captions, or titles, which can be helpful for providing additional context or information about each image. This can enhance the viewer's experience, giving each picture a voice and meaning beyond just the visuals. Finally, it's time for the moment of truth: publishing. By hitting publish, you bring your gallery to life, making it visible to your audience. Double check how it appears on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure a seamless browsing experience across platforms. With everything set, your image gallery is now live, swirling continuously, inviting visitors to engage with it time and again. And there you have it. By following